Welcome to IT Hacking Awareness. Today, we delve into the world of cybersecurity and hacking risks that surround us. A montage of cybersecurity news headlines. Cyber threats. Learn about evolving tactics, from phishing to ransomware, and ways to protect your digital life. A person setting up a strong password. Password security. Strengthen your defenses with robust passwords and multi-factor authentication. A person installing antivirus software. Antivirus solutions. Explore tools to safeguard against malware and unauthorized access. A person receiving a suspicious email. Email awareness. Recognize red flags and avoid falling victim to deceptive online schemes. A person teaching others about online safety. Knowledge is power. Stay informed, share insights, and together, we can create a safer digital environment. Text on screen. Empower yourself against hacking. By raising awareness, we fortify our virtual spaces against potential threats.